In this video, I'll share a Wild Mint Cosmetics review. That's a skincare product brand that I tried out for a month. I'll briefly discuss how was my skin before, how did it improve, show you before and after photos, look into the ingredients used in Wild Mint Cosmetics, then explain how to use Wild Mint Cosmetics, what's the price, and if I actually think it's worth it or not. I use the 5-step Clear Skin Kit that includes a Citrus Cleanse Antioxidant Cleanser, Citrus Splash Purifying Antioxidant Toner, Youth Boost Multivitamin Serum, Marula Magic Antioxidant Facial Oil, and a Smooth Boost Multivitamin Moisturizer. You can see all of them in here. I use these products for longer than a month now, and I can see that they actually work. My skin is so much more beautiful and healthier. I took before and after photos to show you how much has my skin changed in around 1 month. For a couple of years, I had various skin issues. No matter what products I used, or if I didn't use any products at all, or if I was making my own products myself. No matter how much water I drank, how many veggies, berries, nuts and seeds I ate, my skin was too dry and not elastic enough. I had clogged pores, some acne and dry skin in other areas, especially around the nose and cheeks. I have a combination skin type, where it's too dry in some areas and too oily in other areas. I would say my skin can be too sensitive sometimes as well. I was always very careful with what products I put on my skin. I'm trying to use only products that are made using natural, safe ingredients, and that also are organic where possible. I use organic foundation from Inica Organic. It's the best organic foundation that I've tried so far. It has only natural, safe ingredients, and it looks great on the skin. However, I still feel that sometimes my skin gets dried out. I started using Wild Mint products before applying my makeup, and the days when I'm not wearing any makeup. And after just 1 month of using these Wild Mint products, I can see some positive changes to the texture of my skin and the way it looks and feels. My skin looks and feels way healthier now. So what are the ingredients used in Wild Mint Cosmetics, and are they actually safe? Well, I have to say that this brand is really transparent about their ingredients. There are no endless list of chemicals on their ingredient label. They have no parabens, sulfates, propylene glycol, mineral oils, artificial fragrances, petroleum, or any other toxic ingredients. They are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. The common ingredients include apricot kernel oil, aloe vera, avocado oil, marula oil, various essential oils including rose, orange, and grapefruit. It's very gentle for the skin, and it didn't cause any redness or irritation to my sensitive skin. So how do you use this 5-step Clear Skin Kit from Wild Mint? The first step is using the cleanser. You simply apply your Citrus Cleanse Antioxidant Cleanser directly to damp skin and massage gently in a circular motion. And then you have to rinse it off with water and dry with a towel. It can be used for removing your makeup in the evening before bed. I found it a bit difficult to properly remove my mascara, but just you need to go over it a few times. And it has this creamy light texture. It's not oily at all. Then the next step is to apply the toner. You simply spray your Citrus Splash facial toner all over your face and neck and allow it to dry, or gently pat with fingertips. I like that it comes in a spray bottle and you don't have to use any cotton to apply it. And it smells really nice. That's probably because it has rose flower water and rose essential oil in it. It helps to eliminate redness and even skin tone. Then the third step is to apply the multivitamin serum. So after your skin has dried, you take 1 to 2 pumps of your Youth Boost serum and you evenly apply it on your face and your neck and let it dry. And I really love this product. It's probably the best skincare product I ever tried. It makes the skin look and feel really healthy. It does something special to the skin. Then the next step is to nourish your skin with oils. So you simply apply 1 to 2 drops of your Marula Magic facial oil to your palms or directly onto your face and massage your face and neck, avoiding the area around the eyes. It has marula, apricot, and rose oils in it. This one has the same rose smell as the Citrus Splash toner. This is my second favorite product. And I never tried marula oil before, but I tried different oils in the past. I used almond oil, argan oil, coconut oil, mixed with various essential oils, such as lavender and frankincense. And none of them improved my skin as much as using marula oil. And it doesn't make my skin look or feel greasy. It feels very nice and natural. And I have no problems applying my regular makeup after. I would say it even helps. And the fifth step is to apply 1 to 2 pumps of the Smooth Boost Multivitamin Moisturizer all over your face and neck. It provides the antioxidant support, improves skin texture, and brightens the skin. Using Wildman products leaves my skin soft and refreshed. It makes it look healthy, young, glowing, and very well hydrated. If I had to pick only 2 products from this kit, I'd go for the Youth Boost and Marula Oil. These are my absolute favorites. I think these ones made the biggest difference in my skin. It instantly makes it feel different. In a way, my skin even looks younger. But of course, the whole kit is even better, as you don't need to mix products from different brands that may not work well together. Now, what about the price of Wildman products? At the time of filming this video, the whole kit of 5 costs £87 here in the UK. And if you buy them separately, they're £16 to £19 each. And is it worth it? Yes. I wasted a lot of money in the past for products that don't work. And Wildman Cosmetics exceeded my expectations. The products actually work. They improve the texture of the skin, make it way more elastic, make it look and feel healthy and beautiful, and even look younger. I definitely recommend trying out Wildman Cosmetics. So if you're interested in giving it a try, I'll leave the link in the description of this video where you can order it online. This was my honest Wildman Cosmetics review. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.